You see, God bless you. When you see when you see what is really happening, the coalition is like they are not really relevant according to my understanding because they have to deal with needful. See, somebody like Atiku in the first place, you should forget about the presidency and rely against a young man that Nigeria needs. Talking about the person of Peter Obi. You see, let us be specific in our talking here. If Atiku should contest as a president tomorrow, he will fail. Jagaba will get pass mark. Why don't they rally against Obi and bring somebody from North that will deputy Obi? You see, the battle will be very rivalry for Jagaba to contend with. See, let us be the truth. Because we are Nigeria, we witnessed the last election. See, Atiku is so by force to be president. Because he has come a long way. It's like, it's God. He not giving that authority or the power to be president of Nigeria. Because we saw him as a vice. And he had done his own. He's a patriotic Nigeria. He's an elder statesman. He should learn language, rely, and let us see the light. And I believe if he should support Obi, bring a dynamic somebody that can be deputy to Obi. They don't know win the north. Then Obi will win the south. There is end to Jagaba. But when not bring Atiku say as a presidential candidate or whose party, a failure. 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 Atiku has come to the end of the road. Let us be frank. If Atiku contest in 27, you never win. Because the line of body law is not popular now. Nigeria is not popular with him. Nigeria doesn't even know him anymore. Atiku has come to the end of the road. Let us be frank. If Atiku contest in 27, you never win. Okay, after 27, he will contest again. Now he has the chance, he has the capability to form a unique and strong measure to aside the Jagaba, the called Lion of Bodilo. Because the Lion of Bodilo is not popular now. Nigeria is not popular with him. Nigeria doesn't even know him anymore. If you say Tinubu APC, you are enemy. Because what? It brings urgent poverty to Nigeria. Nigeria in the history will never experience this calamity. I'm telling you the truth. See this one over now 1500 for now 900. It does it to Sham. It does it to see 500. Okay, go to Bakra. Audio party gone. Nothing is working. Okay, Jagaba is not popular, but we need somebody that Nigeria will follow. Not Atiku. What Obi and somebody deputize him. See, it's not possible, it's not compulsory that he will rule 8 years. The Baga came, it is my turn, and we know. Because you single-handedly brought Buhari. Now, 8 years gone with Buhari, we see the situation of Nigeria. You use money to buy money for your country. Can you imagine? You use your own money to buy money. You give person your 1,000, you give you 700. Minus 300. And you are still begging. At the end, they see came. I will believe say it will change the narrative. Now, wicked hungry, wicked suffering. He said December, refinery will work, everybody will happy. Say, fuel will come. 1,000 go 600 or 500. Till today, nothing they work. So what are we talking about? It's not popular. We need a dynamic formation. But Atiku to be the elder statesman and back Peter Obi and bring a strong northerner as a vice. Then I believe we will win the game. Not with Atiku standing at the head. The department is end of the story. The coalition, no home. Aragbeshola, Amechi, El-Rufai. Are they not bed of the same feather? They suck our blood yesterday. All the people will know. But now, it's like he's dancing to the ato. If he dance to the ato, person will come tomorrow. Because Nigeria now don't face it. He now use money to divide Nigeria, the division of labor. Nigeria is suffering and smiling. So people say, APC is enemy to Nigeria. Periodic. Let us come together and live together. Because divide there, we fall. And we'll fall forevermore. Except we unite. Atiku, unite to be, forget about your ambition. It's not do or die affair. It's not do or die affair. You don't serve Nigeria. It's not, you don't be by force to be president. You are well advised. You know your impact. So rally around us and let Obi be first. You can be second, but you are too big for that. Big person. May you be first. No show. Jagaba will swallow off his back. But we don't want that situation. God bless you.
So what if there is nothing like that at the end of the day? If Atiku later not settled down for Obi to represent the party?
If he never settled down for Obi, now he now came his own. I don't think they will have that capability of standing, removing Jagaba. Because the divided house can never form a united house. That's what happened in 2023. They were divided. Don't you see the result? 10 million, 9 million, 8 million. How? Before this time, they were united in the first place. Those million will be combined together and they will win. Now they want to go the same failure. You see, Jagaba, I think they borrow love that. But Nigeria, not only God will help us. I'm telling you the reality. Because Jagaba is a lion of Bodilon. He dismantled PDP, he dismantled Labour Party. But they're supposed to realize, hey, this man, let us come. Because me and you know if you go contest election. You know me, you know who I want. I don't chop the I don't be a councillor. But people know me as a popular man, but who will say me I go on top? Because if I be contest the presidential election, if I spoke, people will hear my voice. But now, we want people that will believe. It will be Atiku, let them unite. You see, Okowa, he say he regretted to be vice to Atiku. You see Wike, one leg here, one leg there. How? How? When APC there as opposition, anybody left for APC, where people left for PDP, people left for APC. No. Now, Tinubu was a mafia. Tinubu a mafia, so he put Wike, one leg for PDP, one leg for APC. Destroy PDP. Destroy PDP. Now they form ADC. ADC, APC. What's the difference? G and P. They are mafia. Nigeria is tired of mafia. Nigeria is tired of mafia because mafia no send me a message. Mafia know the same person message. That's why we are suffering here. Nigeria is suffering now. How can you be the lion of Bodilo, the owner of Lagos, and now you are a president and your people are hungry? You have money now, but why? Because it's a mafia. I don't care for you and I. The mafia. We need somebody that is not a mafia. Sincere, rich. We need it. Someone like Obi, it's not mafia. They have sincerity. They have the feeling of the masses because people are dying every day because of they can't survive anymore. They can't survive. Why? Because you bring policy that is not acceptable. Many companies don't japa. Any company went wrong. 100 people they work for there. They're not jobless. I may go background. Before, go background. Company like food up they go in. Now no one there again. And you say you be president. You say I save 40-something trillion and for something. All this propaganda. Then they share the money. They borrow money. They share them. They share them. Or buy me daily. Now under amount they put now senator. They see. You just face all the old Lagos mafia for everywhere. How Nigeria want to grow? They call them Lagos boys. You see, we are tired of this situation. We are tired. This is not Nigeria. When we were small, Nigeria was not like this. We need 1 naira, we tell them go school, come back. We see chop for inside. We tell them go 1,000 naira. If you take and go, come back. Now Nigeria be that. So